Hi, my name is Dr. Shen. This is Dr. Ma, Wendy. Okay. Today we're going to give you guys an overview of the different type of solutions, eye drops that's needed to complete a daily cycle of Ortho-K lens wear. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys the different type of solutions and eye drops. This is the Clear Care one that we're going to use. This is hydrogen peroxide system. This one cleans the lenses. This one here goes on the eyes. It's an eye drop. This is also an eye drop, but this one specifically goes on the ball of the contact lenses. And this one is a soft contact lens solution, but it's going to be used here to rinse the lenses after the initial cleaning. Now we're going to go through the actual steps into a daily cycle. We begin by preparing the lenses for disinfection. Okay, so Wendy takes out the left lens, and she would actually use the hydrogen peroxide to form a pool on the palm of her hand. Now she would just use her finger to gently swirl and rub the inside of the lenses to remove any protein or any debris that may be sitting in there. After that, she's going to place it in the lens holder on because this is the left eye, so that it's going to go on the white mount. Okay, and after she gently closes it, she's going to fill up the container up to the line over here with the hydrogen peroxide system. Great. And then she would just dunk it in and then secure it as what she did. And immediately you'll see bubbles start to form. So this tells us that the chemical reaction has started, where hydrogen peroxide is being converted into water and oxygen is being released. During this process, the lenses are being thoroughly cleaned. But it does take about 6 to 8 hours for this to happen. So please, very important to wait until after that time before you put it on your eyes, just to be safe. We have prepared a lens that's already been sitting for 6 to 8 hours, and now we're going to demonstrate the steps that's required before putting it on the Ortho-K lenses at nighttime. When she takes out before she takes out the lenses, she would actually put an eye drop, in this case the eye drop Pure from iMed, which is non-viscous and preservative free, onto her eyeball. Okay. After that, she can then take out the left lens as well, and at this point most of it should be just water in the solution, but just to be safe and to increase the comfort of the wear, she's going to use the soft contact lenses, in this case the BioTrue, to form another pool in the palm of her hand. And then she would again swirl it around and just to work the solution in the contact lenses. At home, you'll want to do this about 4 to 5 times, okay, for rinsing it 4 to 5 times. And at this point, the lenses will be ready for insertion. So right before putting it on her eyes, she would then use the eye drop Pure gel, which is a thicker version, and that she's going to put a drop into the bowl of the contact lenses, and this will actually form a nice coating and a buffer between the lens and the eyeball. At this point, she would just put it on her eyeball, and she will go to sleep, right? You will repeat it for the other eye, of course, at home. Now, fast forward to the morning time, she wakes up and then she wants to take off the lenses now, right? Before she takes it off, she would then again use the eye drop Pure, the non-viscous one, onto her eyes, okay? And then after that, she would actually want to make sure that the lenses is mobile, okay? So she would actually place the finger on the bottom and then move from the white part to the black part of the eye, and we can get a closer shot just to see that the lens is moving there. Do that about 10 times, and then at this point, because the lens isn't moving, the solution is working, is flowing underneath the lenses. It should be fairly easy to take off. Of course, Dr. Ma would then use the either the plunger or her fingers to take it off. In this case, we have chosen the plunger method. So after she takes off the lenses, she would then repeat the cycle again, just like the start of the video, with the hydrogen peroxide, and then she would swirl it around and place it in the container, thus completing one entire cycle of the Ortho-K lens wear. Okay, using this method will ensure that the experience of wearing it is both safe and comfortable for a long time to come on a daily basis. In another video, we are going to show the details and steps for insertion and removal. Okay, so stay tuned for that, and thank you for your time.